think, right, this is the mob dance, and this is Jazz, and she's going to show you how to do it.
Okay, so you're going to do 1 time through with me dancing it the whole time, and then I'll break it down for you in separate sections. So the dance itself goes... So we got that one. Okay, so then we break that down into separate sections. So we do the top rock first. So you put your right foot in front of your left, kind of like you're going to fall flat on your face, but you catch it. So you go top and rock, and your arms just come out and in into like an X Factor shape. So open, close, and you repeat that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and your weight just transfers, so from front to back, and then again front to back. Okay, so that's the top rock. So we do that one more time. Top, rock, top, rock, top, rock, top, rock. So the next section is ribs. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull your hands up, and you're going to slide to your right side first, keeping both hands straight over your tummy, kind of like you've ate too much, and then you just slide it across the other side. And slide again, and again, and then your knee just pops the way that you're leaning. So rib, pop, 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 and you do 8 of these, and you look the way that your straight leg is. So you look the opposite way to the way that you're pulling. Look, 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 look. Okay, so that's ribs. So let's put it all together. So you're going to go top rock, 1, 2, 3, 4, and ribs for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next bit is the grapevine, which I almost forgot the first time around. So you're just going to do your right leg first. So you go right step, left, right, clap. And then you can do it the opposite way. So left, right, left, clap. Try not to get too much in confusion, because all you're doing is stepping but over each other. So right, left, clap, left, right, left. Clap. And I'll break that down just with my feet. So you go step with your right, step behind yourself with your left, step again with your right, jump and a clap, and then again the other way. So left, step behind with your right, step in front with your left, right, clap. So let's do that all together with all the 3 sections. So you can go top and rock, top and rock, top and rock, top and rock, and rib. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're going to do your grapevine. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. The next bit is just a bit of a knee pop with a shoulder push. So you're just going to do it with your right again first. So you're going to push up like you're flapping something away. So 1, 2, 3, and then you pop it again the same way. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So your palms just come up like this, and your legs just swap over. So boys, you can do it like this. Girls, you can do it on your toes. So you just go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And your torso just kind of switches almost. Oh yeah, almost on a diagonal. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's do it all the way up to that point. So top and rock, top and rock, top and rock, top and rock, and rip. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and grapevine. Grapevine, 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 and pop, 2, and double, pop, 2, and double. The last one's super easy. You turn to your right, and clap, turn to your left. And then you start the whole thing again. So again, you step onto your right leg from that. So I'll do it all the way through, just so you've got it. So top rock, and top rock, and top rock, and top rock. Don't forget in your X Factor arms. Rib. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And grapevine. And grapevine. And grapevine. And grapevine. And pop, 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 double. Pop, 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 double. Turn. Clap, turn. Clap, start again.